So in this video, I'm going to talk about some plant projects that you can have at home. Maybe to involve your kids or just have some fun and like grow some free plants. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the ice cream truck music outside, but it's made me nostalgic for my childhood, because when I was a child, I would not only eat ice cream, but I would also grow plants from avocado pips, from pineapple heads. Yeah, it was something I used to do as like a project as a child. It used to be extremely interesting. So I thought today I would do a video on that, because you can ultimately grow your own pineapple at home, as you can see it. There's my own little pineapple. So to start off with, you'll need, obviously, an avocado pip, or you can even use cherry pips or like a mango, anything really. And you just place it like you can see with this one. It was a pip, which I put 3 toothpicks in to kind of support it in a jar of a clear water. And it's also a fun thing to do with your children, to like get them interested in plants, interested in like growing plants, and to find out how plants like grow. Because if you do it like this, they'll be able to see as the roots form, as they develop, and what happens. So I think this one has been in here for about 2 months, or 2.5 months, and the same with this pineapple. And pineapples are really easy to like grow like this, because all that you actually need to do is to remove the head and take off like a few of the leaves at the end and just put it in a jar. And I would change the water every other week. Yeah, so I thought today that we will like plant them up and we can see how they grow. So again, for the pineapple, and I use this one for the avocado. So this is just a mixture of like garden potting soil that you can get from the store, and also some perlite and a cocoa coir to make it fluffy and airy. So basically, we're going to start off by filling the bottom of the pot. As you guys can see, this time I've learned, and I put down some paper so that we don't have such a mess like we've had in other videos with repotting. So we take this out. You can see this is like developed such a nice root system, and just get out these toothpicks, which I should just break off. There we go. We see if you put this in. Yeah, no. Let's take out a bit. That's better. And I would actually just half bury the pip. I wouldn't do it fully. I've even seen these pips like sprout in like a compost heap. If you throw them in a compost heap, so they sprout quite quickly. And there's no real effort that you need to put into it. And I have heard that you can actually get fruit from this, but it'll take some time, from like 7 to 10 years. So if you're doing this to get fruit, to get avocados, I wouldn't hold my breath, and I'd rather go to the nursery and get a properly grafted tree that will fruit much quicker. Let's see what's happening. This looks fine. Just add in some more. This is a fun little plant, because you can put this on your windowsill and see how it grows. And eventually, it is going to grow quite big. And you'll have to either plant it out or discard it at like a later date if you don't have space for it, or you can even give it to someone else that has a bigger garden, if you're in the proper climate, of course, because avocados are temperate to the tropical trees. And now I've realized I don't have enough potting soil for the pineapple, so I'll be back. Look, and the soil has appeared. So now we're going to do the pineapple. I mean, I can remember as a child like doing so many of these, and it's just such a fun thing because you didn't to purchase a plant because plants are expensive. I mean, especially if you're a child, you have to use your pocket money. So I had so many little pots in the windowsill with like pineapples and mangoes and all that kinds of stuff that I just like found around in the kitchen. So you can just fill up this. And what I love about pineapples is that they can actually become such nice either indoor or outdoor plants, provided that they get plenty of sun. I mean, like a pineapple is something that wants sun all the time. It does not tolerate like shade, or it won't like grow as well in shade, and you're not going to get fruits from it if it's in shade. So just place it in, and you fill in around your little pineapple. I have heard it said that pineapples don't take in any nutrients from their roots for the first couple of years, but from their leaves. I'm not sure if that's exactly true, but it does make sense as pineapples are bromeliads. But obviously they grow in the soil and not as epiphytes. So they grow as terrestrial bromeliads. And there we go, we'll pot it up, just take this all the way. And I would place this little pineapple plant in a bright sunny window where it can get full sun, I mean practically almost all day. This one started out like that. And I should place this outside. You know this has been growing outside close to my garage for quite some time, and you can see that the leaves have become quite like tatty from the wind, etc. But I mean, obviously, if you're going to have your plant indoors in a bright location, you are going to have a beautiful pineapple plant with crisp green leaves. And yeah, but the fruit on this one, I don't know if you can see it. Let me bring it closer. It's quite tiny. I mean, this is quite. I don't know what you're gonna eat from there, but for me it was just so cool that it actually fruited. It was like a little thingy that I just did on the whim. I had a little like pineapple top, and I put it into like a jar and planted it. And yeah, so this is how you grow your own pineapple.